Hi everyone. Well, I just did a bird video recently. Well, the last video I put up actually, and I said I would have to get Jesse out so that he could use the bathroom. So finally Jesse is out. Of course he's in the shade because that's where I kind of plonked him. He's just checking everything out for now, but he is going to get a feed, so I particularly wanted him to come out so it would give him the clue, I better go to the bathroom if I'm going to get a meal in my belly tonight, because he's had a couple of meals, and yeah, now it's time to get rid of those couple of meals. And Jesse will wait for me, of course, to bring him outside to actually do that. So he's got a couple of large rats to eat. They're not, when I say large rats, they're probably half the size of his belly, of course. So 2 of them will be, more than enough for his meal. So again, also it's not only the personal choice that I have taken with my snakes is to bring them outside and teach them to use the bathroom, but I do also very much see it as, oh, there's ants there, doll. There's ants crawling on you. I don't think they affect you like they do me. Well, I hope they don't. But it's very much, the opportunity for them to, not that he's in the sunlight, is he? But there is sun there, and he will start moving around a little bit. But it's that enrichment. It is the sunshine. It is the grass. It is a yawn. That enrichment that I very much know that our snakes do enjoy and like to have in their life. Now I didn't take my time, as in, I got Jesse out, I held him for a little while, and then I brought him out. So he's still kind of figuring, wow, I just kind of seem to be in my enclosure and now I'm outside. Right. It just will take him a little while to understand that, yeah, we're outside and relax, Jesse, it's all good. No birds around squawking and carrying on, but as you can see, he's still very much tasting the air and having a look around to see if there's anything around him that he needs to be aware of. That's what they will do. So we're going to start moving around and stretching out a bit and thinking about the bathroom. Mr. Blister says, well, when I'm ready, and I don't necessarily go on cue, Mum. I need to check things out first, and I need to also find a comfortable spot. Snakes will not just go because that's the spot you've put them in, and you have certainly seen with my Lily that she likes a certain spot that she chooses, and determination is to just go there and keep going there and going back to there, which I tuned into and realised that is what Lily wants and how she wants it to be, and not my choosing, which is fine. So yeah, I feel a little bit neglectful to Jessie at the moment because life has been extremely busy, as you know, with my daughter moving in and the grandchildren, and just finding the moments, or the, not even the moment, and it feels like a moment, but finding the time to get the likes of Jessie out, who is not like Lily. You know, Lily comes out and she goes up to the hangout spot and she merrily lays there for the day and evening as well. Jessie, not that I overly have to keep watching him, he's a big boy and I know where he is, but I do kind of just have to make sure he's staying where he decides that he's made his way to. Jessie tends to be a lot more wanting to explore and check things out. Doesn't stay, he does eventually chill out, lay down and settle down and is comfortable to actually stay there. But for right now, I just don't want him to go under the car. Oh yeah, no. Did you hear the bird? And decided to change course. Did you? Hey? And it doesn't take them very long to relax once you get them outside. You know, just give them a few minutes. Of course, your little ones, you know, put them on your lap, put them on the rug next to you so that they feel very safe because you're there to protect them. Whereas the likes of Jessie, you know, he's very much used to this and being outdoors, but he still, you know, stays close to me initially, but eventually he will move off me and make his way to where he might want to go, which cannot be under the car. That's an absolute no-no for my snakes, because they can go up anywhere and wrap themselves around anything, and like for Jessie, getting him out of somewhere where he decides to grip is difficult, totally difficult for me to do. But he knows he can go under the trampoline. He's quite safe under there, very well protected, of course. And, you know, on a really hot summer's day, I love it for the fact that he can, you know, have shelter from the sun and cool down. I have got the pool that I'm pretty close to bringing out and setting up for my snakes again this summer. Tessa especially loved having the pool out here full of cool water on a hot day. And not necessarily that she would climb into it, but she would always get herself a drink. So yeah, I will definitely be getting that out for them again over the summer months. And it is starting to get very warm here now again, and of course all my snakes are in feeding mode, you know, sucking that food into their bellies, you could say. Not that any of these guys, well, Jessie and Tessa for example, never have denied a meal, but Lily, of course, at this particular time is not on her food at all. So yeah, I'm just chilling. Saturday and all's quiet. So guys, I will end it here with just my boy checking things out. So you take care of yourself, your family, your friends, your snakes, and remember, highly, highly intelligent, very much know the positive around them, the negative, because they feel those two things. Take care of all your animals. Ciao.